made this firewood rack out of some scrap steel. I had one piece, it was about 9 foot and some friction, so I cut it to 9 foot, and the other one I cut it to match. And I have some of this material left over, so I made the width where it fit and I could weld it inside. It ended up being about 19 inches. This is 5 foot high, and I welded just by overlapping the angles. And because this welded inside this angle, so this one overlapped it on top by about 3/16 of an inch. I had to make one splice. The metal was short over here, so I added about 1/2 inch to this piece. And then this will come in 4 foot by 8 foot pieces. So, and because this is 9 foot, so I had to splice this 1 foot section over here. It was very easy and simple to build. It didn't take but like hour and a half or so, and then maybe 20 minutes to paint it. I also bought these 4 by 8 by 16 so it won't sink to the ground. The ground over here is sandy loam, so with some rain it will go down. This will help it last longer time. And I'm gonna load it up.